These are necessary items you need to start your Jheri hair journey in 2022. Hey guys, welcome back to my wonderful channel. It's a girl Joy, aka Miss JOVOU. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome, darling. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video. So guys, today's video according to the title, start your Jheri hair journey in 2022. What are the necessary items needed in starting your whole Jheri hair journey? I never knew that I actually inspire a lot of you to like start your Jheri hair journey. When I keep seeing you guys comment like you inspired me, I got mine yesterday, I got mine today, I got mine some weeks ago, I got mine 3 months ago. Like that vibe, energy, I just love it. If you're new to my channel and you're like, what is Jheri and what does it involve? If I want to start, what do I need to start your Jheri hair journey in 2022? You guys are amazing, and if you're new, you're welcome to the channel. Join the Quality fam, okay? If this is what you're interested in, then you must definitely keep on watching. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down, share to your family and friends, and subscribe. Turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. No further ado, let's get right into the video. So guys, everything is written down in my notebook, so I'm just going to be picking them one by one. If you see me looking down, just know that I am taking note of what I need to tell you, okay? So I prepared this for you guys, so let's just get right into it. Before you start your Jheri hair journey, you need to have money, okay? Because without money you cannot do nothing. So you need to have money to start your Jheri hair journey, because there are a lot of things required. You need to get products, you need to get this, you need to get that. The second thing you need to have Jheri kits. You need a Jheri kit. If you go to some salons, when you're ready, you want to go make your hair, or you go to a store, they will tell you, okay, you get a relaxer, you get this, but like they are from different brands or different category. Like sometimes it's so confusing. So just to be on the safe side, just get a kit. Either you get the Hollywood solution kit or you get the leisure coil coconut oil kit. These are the little kits that I have used on my hair, but there are other kits. If you're based in the US, I actually did a video on like walking you guys through on how to get product like Jheri hair products. If you haven't seen the video, it's going to be in my description and also going to be linked up in the icon, so be sure to check it out after watching this video, okay? You need to get a kit, like a set. If you're using the S coil kit, don't use another kit from another brand or from another product, okay? So that is it. So just get a kit. First thing, you need to have money, because all this is going to cost. But as time goes on, you kind of be used to it, to be like, okay, I need to save up for my coil activator, I need to save up for my shampoo. That's what I do, okay? So as time goes on, everything is going to be easy for you. The third thing you need to start your Jheri hair journey in 2022, you need to know where you're going to get your hair coil, okay? You need to plan, you need to ask questions around your area. Like, oh, I want to get my Jheri coil. Do you know any salon that do Jheri coil? Like where I'm going to get good service and my Jheri coils are going to be nice and looking at goody. Ask around. If they don't know how to do it, tell them that I need a professional. I need someone who has been doing Jheri coil for a very long time, that knows how to do it, the steps and everything. If the person doesn't know, the person has a slight idea. I have a lot of videos on my channel. I have part 1, I have part 2, I have part 3, part 4, part 5. Hopefully part 6 is coming up once I'm done with my hair, like once I lose this hair. Right now, I am not tired of it. I have a lot of videos. I have explained it. But before you even go, make sure you read the instruction in the kits, so you will know what to do. When you go to a salon, you can tell the person, if the person is doing something wrong, say, no, that's how they do it. This is how they do it. Or you play my videos, because everything is there, step by step, on how to get a Jheri coil, okay? If you feel like the person is struggling and the person is doing something off, you'll be like, no ma, or no sir, that's not how they do it, this is how you do it. Or just explain the steps to him or her, or play my video, okay? Just play the video. The person, okay, this is the first thing we're going to do, is how long we're going to stay, blah 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 blah, and all that. When I got my Jheri coil done for the second time, and the lady was like, okay, this is leisure coil, she has not used it before. I was the one like telling her what to do, the first thing, the second thing, but she had a slight idea because she has been using Hollywood coil solution kits for a very long time, and many people know that she does Jheri coil. So my mom was like, okay, I know someone who does Jheri coil, you can go to her. And I went to her and she did nice work on my hair, and my hair was nice. I have a throwback video that I uploaded it. That was the second time I got my Jheri coil, so if you haven't seen it, it's going to be in my description, or just go check my channel out and you're going to see throwback part 2 2021, okay? Need a professional, okay? In a salon, like, it doesn't matter how it looks, it doesn't have to be bougie, like expensive, everything's like cool. If you go to a nice salon, because in Lagos there are a lot of nice salons out there that they do Jheri coil and they know how to do it very well, then you're literally good to go. But if you go to like your area, around your area, like all these will start a shop that they don't know how to do it, you can just explain to them, this is the first thing, this is how long and all that. And if the person is not ready to listen to you, just carry your kit and go, so that they will not damage your hair. Because some people act as if they know something while they don't know. It's only someone who is humble and who wants to learn will be like, okay fine, what's the first thing? I go somewhere to do it. So that is just it. Okay, the fourth thing you need to get is a coil activator. When you get the Jheri coil kit, you realize that coil activator inside is very small, it won't last. What you need to do is go get a coil activator, another one. You can still get the leisure coil coconut oil coil activator. Is big, it has a big one and a small one, but it's very hard to find. Aloe vera coil activator, get Jack 5 coil activator, you get series coil activator, you get S coil activator. So those are coil activator. Just do your research, ask around, please I need a coil activator. There are different type of coil activator here in Nigeria. You don't necessarily have to use what I use. I've used series coil activator, nice. Lock and twist gel together with series coil activator, it was literally good to go. So that is it. Another thing you need to get shampoo, you need to get conditioner, you need to get leave-in conditioner, you need to get hair growth oil, hair perfume, oil sheen spray, hair mask. I've talked about these products, like all these essentials, in one of my videos, 10 essential products for your Jheri coil or for your natural hair entirely, for your hair, whether relaxed, your hair is not relaxed, like your afro, whatever hair, coily hair, anything. So these are products that you need if you want to maintain your natural hair, you want to maintain your Jheri coil, you want to maintain your coily hair, you want to maintain your coily perm. Don't use eco styling gel as your coil activator. Eco styling gel is not a coil activator, it's a styling gel. It will not define your coils. Okay, if it's the salon you were like getting your Jheri coil, ask, please, do you have this or that? If you don't have, I'm going to recommend one for you. We're learning together. This is a journey for all of us. Okay, so you need to get these items. They are necessary. Coil activator, very important. It will help define your coils. Okay, you also need a bonnet. Concerning bonnet and shower cap, I don't know, some persons keep telling me they use shower cap to sleep, some persons say they use bonnet. Like, I don't know, use what works for you. I think that's the best way I can say it, because I don't know about shower cap. I don't know why would you use shower cap to like cover your hair. Are you comfortable with it? Like, that's what I think. Like, shaka makes noise. Satin bonnet is kind of silk and like smooth, and sometimes it can pull out from your hair, but it all depends. But with this one that comes with elastic in front, and then there's a big like cloth around, that one is also good to go. I will get that one later on, but for the meantime I've been using satin bonnet since I started my Jheri coil hair journey. Use what works for you. If you're comfortable with shower cap, then it's good to go. If you're comfortable with satin bonnet, it's good to go. As far as it actually protects your hair, that's just the main point. Okay, so guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope this video is helpful to each and every one of you. If it was, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, drop a comment down. If you have any more questions concerning Jheri coil, just drop it down in the comment section, because I am learning. We're learning together, and everybody is like, we're sharing our ideas and asking questions. It actually helps each other grow. I hope this video is helpful to each and every one of you. If it was, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, drop a comment down, share to your family and friends, and subscribe. Turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.